Alright. She's a woman. Oh! Tigry's a woman. Tigry, what's up? How you doing? Mate, hold on. What's up, Tigry? How's it going? It's me, nixxiom, the nixxiom machinima. I've got a YouTube channel and 2 puppies. I'm single. There you go. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna do a ready check. Time to get serious.
Perform a leap of faith to get down. Didn't he just tell me I could perform a leap of faith?
Remember to reach out for ledges should fall.
After tower, you can perform a leap of faith to get down.
We got League of Legends. I don't like that game. Fortnite, never played it. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, I suck at it. Rocket League, it's for 12-year-olds. Dota, it's for people that think that they're too good for League. Dead by Daylight, it's probably one of those weird games that I don't like. Hearthstone, I don't play internet card games. FIFA, I hate soccer. Counter-Strike, I suck at it. WoW, okay, that's the game I'm playing. Overwatch, I'm not good at Overwatch. Talk shows, it's basically what this is now. Grand Theft Auto, my mom used to not let me buy Grand Theft Auto because it was an M-rated game. Hand of Fate, don't know what that is. Smash Brothers for Wii, if it's not Melee, I'm not playing it. Call of Duty World War II, that should happen 60 years ago. I don't need to see it again. I know the ending. Hitler dies.
Can't even see him to type.
I saw Pele.
Okay, we're gonna do the strat, okay? Wait. Okay, are you ready? Bomb. Casting?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Cheap shot,
You
into.
dark.
Okay, he's finished. I told you! I fucking told you! I literally told you we can do that. I fucking told you. I just wanted to try if it works. Alright, it works. Holy fuck, dude, they got banger renoed.
Shut up. Alright, this is S4, alright? So, what you do in Black Desert is you take 2 of these, and imagine these are actually ogre rings, which are really good items in Black Desert, and you tap them together. You tap them louder. And then what's going to happen? 2 things can either happen. Okay? You can tap them together so hard that they both fucking break and they're deleted. Or they upgrade to a better phone. Okay?
Wait, how do we get
scream as loud as you want, dude.
Okay, let me. I need to be away from my mic. It'll be too loud.
Wait. You gotta go for it, dude.
Let's fucking go! Oh my god.
That was actually tense.
Last game, I even raped this incredibly trash rogue and I prepared the sap like I said I would. Other games I didn't try to prepare the sap bug. You know why? Because I was like, he obviously won't sap bug me. He obviously won't do it. But then I was like, okay, this moron, you know, he's trying to fucking sap bug me. I prepared it. Doesn't matter. He kills my teammate. He's dead. I called it in there. I said I will pre-bear the sap this game. The sap bug. I will pre-bear it. I did because I'm not trash. But it doesn't matter because they hard counter us if it's fucking sap bugging. Holy fuck! I don't know how to ever lose that. Fucking oh my god! Holy fuck! Actually.
Kibba, let it out.
Let it.
Okay, I'll hurt them more.
That heroic progression is so important to upgrade.
Yeah, right.
I just want to see where we're at.
What the fuck?
Earlier in the day when I looked, we were tied with
We're
elitists.
3 of 11, but it depends on when people rated and stuff like that. Yeah. So whatever. We were first on the server for a lot of the normal fights.
Normal. Yeah. We're first.
And then we bugged out the boss.
Yeah. Alright. If anybody needs a chance, I'm about to log back into the game. I'll be in Horde Bank and Dalaran.
I was standing next to you when you logged out. Sure.
I thought I had to log out and log back in. I'm sorry.
Watch this. He falls through the fucking gap, dude. Watch.
Oh. Easy kill.
This is Dark Souls.
Alright, we're doing this with Chuck. Let's fucking go! But you're gonna eat the brown one. What the fuck? No, the brown one is brown boy because he's a completely brown chicken with a brown neck, and it constantly escapes. Constantly escapes. It's always doing the cluck alarm. It triggers all the other chickens because it like clicks. Like they have these distinct clucks, right? And it goes. And then all the other chickens go. And then they all start fucking like they get a really like high posture and they all walk around like triggered. But it's all starts from the brown one, and then the brown one will fly out, and then the rest will follow the brown one randomly because they thinks it's.
Guys, reach out real quick.
I see.
Read that. Let's fucking go. Oh, no blocker. Oh my god, dude, I ruined it. I know chat blocker. I ruined it. I announced it already.
You're invited. You're good now. Let's go.
I ruined everything. Oh my god. I know chat blocker, bro.
Oh, wait, what do you mean?
Oh my god, dude. I'm out here. Full cam. You gotta even get in gameplay this game.
Okay, I don't know what's going on right now.
Alright, let's pretend that didn't happen, chat.
Yeah, nothing happened. Big down. Fucking this guy up, man.
How? Wait, I'm actually fucking this guy up. Who are we fucking up right now? Are you flying? I'm flying too. Hang on.
I'm talking right now. Oh, another one. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Can't heal.